Now we will solve example 4. 9y square minus 12y plus 2 equal to 0. So according to our first step, we have to take this plus 2 on right hand side. So 9y square minus 12y equal to minus 2. Now student, while solving the example using completing square method, remember that first term coefficient should be 1. Always the first term coefficient must be 1. If it is greater than 1, then we have to divide the equation by that coefficient. So here the coefficient of first term is 9. So we will divide both the sides of the equation by 9. First term 9y square divided by 9 minus 12y divided by 9 equal to minus 2 divided by 9. So this 9 gets simplified. We will get y square minus, now here 12 and 9 both are divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. So here we will get minus 4 upon 3y equal to minus 2 upon 9. This is our equation number 1. Now student, here we have negative sign. So we have to compare this left hand side with the expansion a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So as I told you that the coefficient of y is the value of 2b. Okay. So here 2b is equal to 4 upon 3. Therefore, b is equal to 4 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 2. When you will take 2 on this side, it converts as 1 upon 2. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So b is equal to 2 upon 3. Therefore, b square equal to 4 upon 9. Square of 2 upon 3 is 4 upon 9. Followed? So, adding 4 upon 9 on both the sides of equation 1. So, left hand side of the equation is y square minus 4 upon 3y plus 4 upon 9 equal to minus 2 upon 9 plus 4 upon 9. Now this trinomial of the left hand side is the square of the binomial. So your first term is y square, its square root is y. Middle term is having sign minus, so write here minus sign. Third term 4 upon 9 is the square of 2 upon 3. So write here 2 upon 3 bracket square equal to, now when you simplify this, minus 2 upon 9 plus 4 upon 9, you will get 2 upon 9. Now taking square roots on both the sides, here you will get y minus 2 upon 3 equal to square root may be plus or minus. So plus minus square root of 2 is root 2, square root of 9 is 3. Okay. Now take this negative 2 upon 3 on right hand side. So y equal to 2 upon 3 plus minus root 2 upon 3. Therefore, y equal to 2 plus minus root 2 upon 3. Now we will separate this addition and subtraction. Therefore, y equal to 2 plus root 2 upon 3 or y equal to 2 minus root 2 upon 3. Therefore, 2 plus root 2 upon 3 and 2 minus root 2 upon 3 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Followed? Students, now we will solve one more example. Sixth one, 5x square equal to 4x plus 7. Okay. Now what we will do? First we will take this 4x on left hand side. So 5x square minus 4x equal to 7. Okay. Now as I told you, the first term always should have coefficient 1. And here it has 5. So what we will do? We will divide the equation by 5. So both the sides of the equation we will divide by 5. First term 5x square divided by 5 minus 4x divided by 5 equal to 7 divided by 5. Okay. This 5 get cancelled. So we will get x square minus 4 upon 5x equal to 7 upon 5. Okay. Understood? This is our equation number 1. Now, here the x variable term is having sign minus. So we will compare this left hand side of the equation with expression a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So here the value of 2b is equal to the coefficient of x. Okay. So 2b equal to 4 upon 5. Therefore, b equal to 4 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 2. When you take 2 on this side, it converts as 1 upon 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. And we will get the value of b is 2 upon 5. Therefore, b square is equal to 4 upon 25. Follow this step. Now, adding 4 upon 25 on both the sides of equation 1. Left hand side of the equation is x square minus 4 upon 5x plus 4 upon 25 equal to 7 upon 5 plus 4 upon 25. Okay. Now this trinomial is the square of binomial. So let us find the binomial. X square is the square of x. So write x here. Middle term is having negative sign. So write here negative sign. Fourth term is 4 upon 25. Its square root is 2 upon 5. The whole square. That means this trinomial is the square of x minus 2 upon 5 the whole square equal to, now we will add this. To add this first fraction we will multiply by 5. Therefore here we will get denominator 25. So 7 5s are 35 plus 4 upon 25. So x minus 2 upon 5 the whole square is equal to 39 upon 25. Now taking square roots. X minus 2 upon 5 is equal to square root of 39 is root 39 upon square root of 25 is 5. So x minus 2 upon 5 is equal to plus minus root 39 upon 5. Follow? Now take this minus 2 upon 5 on the right hand side. So x is equal to 2 upon 5 plus minus root 39 upon 5. So x is equal to 2 plus minus root 39 upon 5. So we will separate the addition and subtraction. X equal to 2 plus root 39 upon 5 or x equal to 2 minus root 39 upon 5. Therefore, 2 plus root 39 upon 5 and 2 minus root 39 upon 5 are the roots of the quadratic equation.